How can I convert a string to boolean in JavaScript? Can I convert a string representing a boolean value, for example, true, false, into an intrinsic type in JavaScript? I have a hidden form in HTML that is updated based upon a user's selection within a list. This form contains some fields which represent boolean values and are dynamically populated with an intrinsic boolean value. However, once this value is placed into the hidden input field, it becomes a string. The only way I could find to determine the field's boolean value, once it was converted into a string, was to depend upon the literal value of its string representation. Is there a better way to accomplish this? Do var is true set equals my value equals true. You could make it stricter by using the identity operator equals, which doesn't make any implicit type conversions when the compared variables have different types, instead of the equality operator equals. Don't. You should probably be cautious about using these two methods for your specific needs. Var my bool equals boolean, false, true. Var my bool equals false, true. Any string which isn't the empty string will evaluate to true by using them. Although they are the cleanest methods I can think of concerning to boolean conversion, I think they're not what you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.